Roger in a rape. I remember I'm here part with Cardell. Yes. I remember me and Cartel. Yes. I roll with Roger. Yeah. And him the love man no there. I will not play. Yeah. No. Ready? That's it? That's not?
Yep.
Remember in a crack art will never flop. Look on it. This is actually a real buckle. Real unstoppable. Straight vibes drum buckle. And it was made by Crack Art. And when we say crack, we're not talking about that cocaine, freebase, stimulant. No, we are talking about a person where when it comes to art, them vigilant. And them brilliant. No? Oh. Bad. It bad. Yeah, my dad said that bitch you.
Girl, swear to God that you my brother. But me coulda never love you like me that.
People at the same time, just weighing my options, playing two sides at the same time. Might end up in some problems, and I cheat, just a get by law. And if we give it up, we're not doing it wrong. If you try to stop me from do what I want, me and you, the devil, love you can't give me the talk. Just I give myself and I clear my thoughts. If I fall in love, then that's a your fault. I know say it might sound crazy, but I'm up here, you have to share me. You are not me one, me not for explain, me not no obligation. Journey might be slow, but me have to show say I don't. So me have couple of me in a rotation. Blood clot, me tired of fuck. But at the same time, just weighing my options, playing two sides at the same kind. Might end up in some problems, but I not cheat, just a date by law. And if me give it up, I'm not doing it raw. If I try to stop me from do what I want, me and you know them love, you can't give me no talk. Just a day myself and I play my part. If you fall in love, then that's your fault. I know I say it might sound crazy, but tell me you have to share me. You are not me man, me not for explain, me not no obligation. Journey might be slow, but me have to sure say I don't want. So me have couple of me in a rotation. I need some of it. Can you cut the check? If you the best candidate, then you can feel it. But if you want go, baby, I can go. I wouldn't blame you because you never claim you. I have two people, I ring my phone line, and I ask when me have to spend time. Me have play two sides at the same time, but just a mingle, baby, come me outside.